Hello guys, review smartphone Infinix Hot 12 Play. This version 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. Okay, look, completion, we have 600 mAh battery. In completion we have protected back cover, quick guides, adapter for charging, this simple adapter, and Type-C cable. Okay, and now talk about device. Device made of plastic, double camera on the back side, fingerprint scanner on the front side, 6.H in display, power button and warm buttons on the right side, on the left side slot for two SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device, display IPS HD plus resolution 90 Hz. Android 11 and XOS by Infinix. CPU MediaTek Unisoc T610 and Mali GPU Mali G52. Look results, good results. Okay, look into the benchmark results. Okay, nice. And run the mother game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works perfect on the max graphic level without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this main camera 15 plus 5 megapixel.